Life Within R3 here. Okay, so today, since I've been having like battery issues with this the last time I tried to start it, what I ended up doing was getting one of these battery testers. They're not expensive, and I'm gonna try to test it on the battery in here. Let's plug it up first and see how it goes. Okay, now that we can actually see the battery, let's plug it up and try it out. Okay, so as you can see, once I plug it up, it shows the main menu. So let's do a quick test here. Testing, let's see. Uh-oh, health, 12% needs to be replaced. That's not good. Okay, you know what, let's just do that one more time. Okay, well, from the initial test, it looks like the battery in my R3 is dead or dying. Another test, battery in vehicle. Okay, enter. Crank test. Okay, start engine. Alright, let's try this, guys. RPM detected, testing. Crank is normal. Okay. Let's do charging test. Increase RPM to 2500 and keep it at 5 seconds. Charging is normal. Okay. We're gonna do a battery test. I'm not sure if this has to be on or off, but let's do it first with it on. Okay, enter. Well, the battery's full now. It's healthy, 100%. Okay. Let's do another quick test, see what happens. Oops. Let's do another quick test now that the bike is off. Okay, yeah, you know what? Battery needs to be replaced. I'm not sure what happened to my battery. I mean, maybe I just haven't been riding enough. Again, you can see I've only ridden through 532 kilometers total, and I'm already at a dead battery. Mind you, I do live in a really cold part of the country, so I have to, I mean, I can only ride 6 months in a year. So, which is why I have this battery charger that keeps the battery topped up. But, yeah, I'm not sure. It looks like I'm going to have to replace this battery. That's it. Kind of stinks, but it is what it is. So, yeah, if you guys aren't sure the condition of your battery, or you don't want to get stranded like me or whatever, get one of these. That way you can find out for sure if your battery is in good condition or not, and if you need to replace it or not. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye.